You've got a 3D printer. You've downloaded the perfect model. Now comes the big question. Which filament should you use? PLA, PETG, and ABS are three of the most popular materials in 3D printing, but they behave very differently. Choosing the wrong one can lead to weak parts, warping, poor heat resistance, or unnecessary printing difficulties. In this video, I'll compare PLA, PETG, and ABS side by side and help you decide which material is best for your next project. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. What makes these filaments different? Every filament has its own balance of printability, strength, flexibility, heat resistance, durability, and cost. No single filament is perfect for every application. The best choice depends on what you're printing. PLA, the beginner's favorite. PLA is usually the first filament people use. It's easy to print, inexpensive, and available in countless colors and specialty blends. Advantages: very easy to print, minimal warping, low printing temperatures, great surface quality, excellent dimensional accuracy. Disadvantages: poor heat resistance, can become brittle over time, less impact resistant. Typical uses: decorative models, prototypes, figurines, educational projects, indoor parts. If you're new to 3D printing, PLA is usually the best starting point. PETG, the balanced all-rounder. PETG combines many of the strengths of PLA and ABS. It offers good durability while remaining relatively easy to print. Advantages: strong and durable, better heat resistance than PLA, good layer adhesion, moisture resistant, chemical resistant. Disadvantages: stringing can occur, slightly harder to tune, can stick aggressively to some surfaces. Typical uses: functional parts, outdoor components, mechanical brackets, containers, tool holders. For many makers, PETG becomes the default material once they gain some experience. ABS, the engineering classic. ABS has been used in manufacturing for decades. It's the same material found in many consumer products and automotive parts. Advantages: excellent toughness, high heat resistance, good impact resistance, can be smoothed with acetone vapor. Disadvantages: significant warping, requires higher temperatures, usually benefits from an enclosure, produces noticeable fumes. Typical uses: automotive parts, enclosures, functional components, mechanical assemblies, high-temperature applications. ABS can produce outstanding results, but it demands proper printer setup. Printability comparison. PLA is the easiest. PETG requires some tuning. ABS is the most challenging. Ranking: PLA, PETG, ABS. If your goal is stress-free printing, PLA wins. Strength comparison. When it comes to real-world functional strength, PLA is stiff but brittle. PETG is strong and flexible. ABS is tough and impact-resistant. For most functional parts, PETG often provides the best balance. Heat resistance comparison. Heat resistance is where major differences appear. PLA can begin softening around 60 degrees Celsius. PETG typically withstands around 80 degrees Celsius. ABS often remains stable above 100 degrees Celsius. A PLA part left inside a hot car may deform. An ABS part will usually survive much better. Outdoor use comparison. Sunlight, moisture, and temperature changes matter. PLA, not ideal for long-term outdoor use. PETG, excellent outdoor performance. ABS, good heat resistance, but UV exposure can eventually degrade it. For outdoor projects, PETG is often the safest choice. Surface finish comparison. PLA generally produces the cleanest prints. PETG can appear glossy. ABS often has a slightly matte appearance, but can be chemically smoothed. If appearance is your priority, PLA usually wins. Cost comparison. Prices vary by brand, but generally, PLA is the least expensive. PETG costs slightly more. ABS is often similar to PETG. For most hobbyists, the price difference is relatively small compared to the performance differences. Which filament should you choose? Choose PLA if you're a beginner, if you need attractive prints, if you want easy printing. Choose PETG if you need durability, if you want weather resistance, if you need functional parts. Choose ABS if heat resistance is critical, if you need tough engineering parts, if you have an enclosed printer. Final verdict: if you're just starting, choose PLA. If you want the best all-around material, choose PETG. If you need maximum heat resistance and toughness, choose ABS. Each filament has its place, and understanding their strengths helps you select the right material for every project. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!